Welcome to this beginner-friendly crochet tutorial. Today we are making a simple and stylish scarf that is perfect for men, but versatile enough for everyone. This pattern is ideal for absolute beginners. I will guide you step by step. Plus, I will show you how to add fringes if you want to. They are optional because the scarf is already looking nice without and the edge. You will see. For this scarf you will need 6 millimeters crochet hook, and the yarn that I was using today, it's a paint box simply chunky yarn number 5. So it has 100 grams and 136 meters. 2 skeins will be enough to get the length of the scarf of 1 meter 30 centimeters with fringes. Without fringes it will be even longer, 1 meter 40 or even 1 meter 50 centimeters. The width is almost 20 centimeters, yeah, or 7.5 inches. So if you want to try crocheting this cute scarf with me, let's get started. And we start with a slip knot. So take the yarn, twist it, insert the hook into the center. Now grab the working yarn, not the tail, and pull through. Now chain any even number. I'm going to chain 28. Please go on. If we measure the chain, so it will be approximately the same as the final width of your scarf. So you see it without stretching, it's 20 centimeters. Now starting into the second chain from hook, make 1 single crochet. Now make chain 1 and then skip the next chain and work into the next after. Again 1 single crochet. So let's repeat everything. Chain 1, skip the next chain and make 1 single crochet into the next after, and again chain 1, skip, and then 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip, and 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip next chain, and then into the next after make 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip, 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 and again 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip, single crochet, repeat till the end of row. And at the end chain 1, skip, and work into the last chain 1 single crochet, and that's the first row. Chain 1, turn into the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, and then make one single crochet into the chain one space. Here it is, it goes right after. After that, chain one, skip the next stitch and work again in chain one space of the previous row. Chain one, so repeat the pattern, skip next stitch and work into the chain one space. Again, chain one, skip next stitch and work into the chain one space, one single crochet. Go on repeating the pattern till the end. Chain one, skip one single crochet in chain one space, skip and chain one space. Skip and chain one space, skip and chain one space, chain one, skip and one single crochet. Now no chain one at the end, we have one more stitch, so just work one single crochet into the last stitch and no chain one. The second row is done. Row number 3, chain one, single crochet in first single crochet, then chain one, skip the next stitch and then work into the chain one space. Chain one, skip next stitch and work into the chain one space of previous row and repeat chain one and one single crochet, chain one and one single crochet. So here how it looks. Chain one, skip and one single crochet, chain one, so pay attention, not here but here. Here is the chain one space. Chain one, skip, and here is chain one space. Make one single crochet. Chain one, skip and make one single crochet. Chain one, skip and make one single crochet. At the end, we have 2 single crochet, make chain one, skip next single crochet and work into the last single crochet, one single crochet, so there is no chain one space, so we work into the last single crochet, chain one, turn. Row number 4, single crochet in first single crochet and then single crochet into the chain one space. Now chain one, skip next stitch and work one single crochet in next chain one space and repeat the pattern. Chain one, skip and then one single crochet, chain one, skip, and then one single crochet. Go on repeating till the end of this row. Chain one, skip, one single crochet in last chain one space. Now no chain one, and we have the last stitch. Make one single crochet into the last stitch, chain one, turn. That's it, guys. Now we are going to repeat only rows 3 and 4. So we do not repeat rows 1 and 2. We are going to repeat rows 3 and 4 until the scarf reaches desired length. So I will show you once more. Chain one. Now one single crochet in first single crochet, then chain one, skip next stitch and work one single crochet into the next chain one space, and repeat chain one single crochet into the next chain one space, chain one, skip, one single crochet into the next chain one space. So we repeat row number 3. Chain one single crochet into the next chain one space, chain one single crochet into the next chain one space. Please go on repeating at the end. So I did chain one single crochet in next chain one space, chain one, and we have 2 stitches left. Skip the next stitch and work one single crochet into the last one, turn, and now we are going to repeat row number 4. One single crochet in first single crochet of previous row, and then single crochet in chain one space. Now make chain one and go on working one single crochet in next chain one space, chain one single crochet in next chain one space, chain one single crochet here in next chain one space, chain one single crochet in next chain one space. Go on working till the end of this row. At the end, chain one single crochet in next chain one space, and no chain one, there is just last stitch, work one single crochet in it, chain one, and turn, and start repeating the pattern from row number 3. So you repeat row number 3 and 4 until the scarf reaches desired length. Please go on. Here I am, the scarf is ready, and now I will show you how to add fringes. It's optionally, even without fringes, the scarf will looks nice and finished, but if you want, you can add them. First of all, you need to cut yarn in lengths approximately approximately 26-27 centimeters or 10 inches. So I cut 27 pieces. You can make double so that each fringe has 2 strands or even 3. And now attach each fringe evenly along the edge. In each chain. Here it is. Fold it in half, but do not forget, then we will trim the ends to ensure that they look neat and straight. And make a knot. Now one more. Oops, I missed this stitch. Let's add it. Okay. Do not forget to trim your fringes. They already look nice, but when you trim, they will look even better. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope it was easy for you and useful for you. Please write me in comment what do you think about this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. The written instruction you can always find on my blog. Please check the link down. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye for now.